Shifting gears now, two non-local labourers have been shot dead while another is seriously injured in a terror attack in Jammu and Kashmir's Kulgam. Terrorists opened fire upon the non-local labourers at the Vanpo area of Kulgam. Now, all the three labourers belong to Bihar. The area has been cordoned off and search operations are underway to trace the culprits. This, of course, is the 11th such civilian death in the past 2 weeks in Kashmir. The Kashmir IGP now has directed officials to shift all non-locals to the nearest police or the army camps urgently.
भाई उधर कोई गोली मारा है, उधर से आया भागे हुए, रूम में था, तो उसको लेकर मैं आया हॉस्पिटल।
जी, तो क्या कहाँ पे लगी उसको?
उसको गोली अनफुम लगी है।
कितने फायर आए उसको?
6। हाँ, 6।
आप कहाँ से हो? आप कहाँ रहते हो?
मैं बिहार से।
आप बिहार से हो?
हाँ।
तो उसके बाद क्या हुआ वहाँ पे?
उसके बाद मैं नहीं जानता हूँ।
तो कितने बंदे थे वहाँ पे?
वहाँ पे 3 बंदे थे।
अच्छा,
3 बंदे थे।
बंदूक बरदार कितने बंदे थे? बंदूक बरदार
उसी को पता है सर, हमको पता नहीं। वो मेरे पास है, मैं रूम में था।
आप क्या काम करते हो?
मैं सिलेब का।
My colleague Ishan has the latest. Ishan, first of all, just tell us what has happened. Just piece together this latest targeted civilian attack in Kashmir.
Well, at least 11 civilians have died in these few weeks in continuously targeting and killing them. We start from even before Bindru, there were attempts, and then it all started actually from there. That is what became a flashpoint. And since then, there are continuous attacks on non-locals working here in Kashmir Valley. It's not just, in villages or rural pockets where we usually see a high activity of militants, but also in Srinagar city, where now at least 3 people have been killed. Yesterday, we saw a street vendor who sells golgappas in the old city of Srinagar near Idgah was shot dead. He was shot in his head, and then, which was followed by another attack in Pulwama, where a man working as a carpenter from Bihar, I beg your pardon, from Uttar Pradesh, was killed, and then which was followed by today again, 2 killings taking place, both in Kulgam, and one of them being injured. They all are from Bihar, and now we are seeing that there seems to be a bit of spike, not just in one district, but one after another. There are these targeted killings taking place. Now, remember, there was a threat perception regarding these targeted killings on non-locals after the abrogation of Article 370 and after the domicile law was framed. It became evident, and there were warnings that they would be doing it, but it was not we didn't see the action unfolding on the ground. But now, as we speak, we're seeing continuously targeting taking place, be it in Srinagar, be it in South Kashmir. It is all happening, unfolding, and now the police have directed district superintendent of police to take all these non-local laborers on urgent basis to the nearest CRPF, police, and army camp to secure them. We don't know whether they will be shifted back or taken back to their local villages or shifted outside valley. But because of the threat perception right now, because of the targeted killings continuously, they will be temporarily shifted to these places from where we expect they might be taken back to their local villages. But now the order from the IGP is that all these people have to stay under a security vigilance, which could be at a CRPF camp, a police station, or an army camp. There has been a spike which has not only, made certain questions on the police and security forces, given the fact that there are continuous killings happening despite meetings and the claims by the police that they have been able to conduct several operations, killing militants, but still unfolding on the ground. Incidents are happening. So, how long will it take for the police to crack these cases, or how long will it take for them to devise a policy to deal with this? This remains a larger question to be asked, and one has to wait for that to see.
Well, certainly, and there is palpable fear, presumably also in the valley, and that in light of that, the IG has issued this order that Ishan was just telling us that all non-local laborers are to be shifted immediately to army or police camps. Ishan, thank you so much for that. We'll keep coming back to you for more updates.